So what's going on, you guys? So this is my very first video in real life in 2017, and the first thing is that there is a snowstorm outside again after 3 weeks. Today is Saturday, January 7th, 2017. And the snow is white and fluffy, and where children can have a great time. I'm about to point the snow in a little while, and my dad's cleaning up the steps so it'll be safely to walk down. And it's a very cold and beautiful sight this Saturday. It was snowing since this morning and it won't stop till tonight. I guess that's it.